Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 14th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who made a phone call using world's first immersive phone call?
Answer is Pekka Lundmark. Nokia CEO Pekka Lundmark made a phone call using a new technology called immersive audio and video that improves the quality of a call with three-dimensional sound, making interactions more lifelike. The call was held with Stefan Lindstrom, Finland's ambassador of digitalization and new technologies. Nokia made the call using a regular smartphone over a public 5G network.
Question number 2. Suhelwar Wildlife Sanctuary will be marked as the 5th tiger reserve of.
Answer is Uttar Pradesh. A new tiger reserve will be established in Uttar Pradesh due to evidence of tiger presence in Suhelwar Wildlife Sanctuary. Located in Shravasti, Balrampur, and Gonda districts, Suhelwar Wildlife Sanctuary spans 452 square kilometers along the Indo-Nepal border. Earlier, the Uttar Pradesh government approved the 4th tiger reserve in the Ranipur Wildlife Sanctuary.
Question number 3. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina scheme?
Answer is Assam. The Assam government has announced a new scheme, Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina, to promote girl education and to end child marriage in the state. This was announced by the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on 12 June 2024 after the Assam government cabinet approved the scheme. The scheme will benefit approximately 10 lakh girl students in the state.
Question number 4. Who has secured first rank in the 2024 International Digital Teacher Olympiad?
Answer is Shilpi Agrawal. Ms. Shilpi Agrawal, a teacher at City Montessori School in Lucknow, emerged as the top performer, securing rank 1 in the recently concluded International Digital Teachers Olympiad. The Olympiad was organized by UpEducators, India's fastest-growing edtech company. The first edition of this international event saw the participation of 3,300 educators from 2,663 schools across 20 countries, demonstrating their advanced digital teaching skills.
Question number 5. Who has become the first Indian to win a golden ticket in the World League of Fighters?
Answer is Surya Sagar. Indian Muay Thai star Surya Sagar has made history by becoming the first Indian to secure a golden ticket for the World League of Fighters. The qualifying event, supported by EaseMyTrip and Vernos Technologies, took place on 1 June at the Lumpini Stadium in Bangkok. The event featured 5 main combat matches for the evening, including participants of the cruiserweight, featherweight, middleweight, welterweight and the female featherweight category.
Question number 6. Who is going to become the first Indian male wrestler to join mixed martial arts MMA?
Answer is Sangram Singh. Former Commonwealth heavyweight champion Sangram Singh is set to become the first Indian male wrestler to join mixed martial arts MMA. Sangram made his return to wrestling in 2024 after a 6-year break. He fights in the Dubai Pro Wrestling Championship, where he defeated Pakistan's Muhammad Saeed. Sangram will be the second Indian overall after Pooja Tomar to compete as a MMA fighter, for which he has requisite skills being a wrestler.
Question number 7. Which year was declared International Year of Quantum Science and Technology by United Nations?
Answer is 2025. The United Nations General Assembly has declared 2025 the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. The 193-member United Nations General Assembly passed a resolution to this effect on 7 June 2024. 2025 marks 100 years since the publication of a paper by the German physicist Werner Heisenberg, which laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. 2024 is being observed as the International Year of Camelids.
Question number 8. Who has been selected for the 2024 Oscar Academy Gold Rising Program?
Answer is Netra Gururaj. Netra Gururaj, a dynamic cinematographer from Bangalore, has been selected for the prestigious 2024 Oscar Academy Gold Rising Program. Netra Gururaj, currently based in Los Angeles, has a diverse portfolio that includes short films, feature films, documentaries, music videos, and experimental pieces. The Oscar Academy Gold Rising Program is a 2-month internship hosted by the Academy in Hollywood, Los Angeles.
Question number 9. Who has been named the 2024 Databricks Retail and CPG Partner of the Year?
Answer is Tredence. Tredence, a global data science and AI solutions company and an elite partner of Databricks, has been named the 2024 Databricks Retail and CPG Partner of the Year. Tredence has been selected from over 2,500 consulting and system integrator partners for this award, reflecting the company's exceptional expertise in leveraging the Databricks data intelligence platform to deliver unmatched value to retailers and CPG companies.
Question number 10. Who has unveiled the Vidyut Rakshak for better monitoring of generators?
Answer is Indian Army. The Indian Army, on 11 June 2024, unveiled an Internet of Things (IoT) enabled system called Vidyut Rakshak for better monitoring and control of generators. This system, launched by Vice Chief of the Indian Army, Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi, was developed by the Army Design Bureau (ADB) in collaboration with the Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer (FITT) at IIT Delhi.
Question number 11. Who has partnered with PickMe to enable UPI payments for Indian travelers in Sri Lanka?
Answer is PhonePe. Fintech firm PhonePe has partnered with ride-hailing platform PickMe to enable UPI-based payments for Indian travelers in Sri Lanka. Last month, PhonePe entered into a partnership with LankaPay to allow its users to pay using UPI across Sri Lanka. Now, with PhonePe, Indian tourists visiting the beautiful island nation of Sri Lanka can enjoy the ease and security of UPI payments for their rides.
Question number 12. As per World Bank, what is India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 2025?
Answer is 6.6%. According to the World Bank's biannual report titled Global Economic Prospects, GEP, June 2024, India's gross domestic product, GDP, growth projection for financial year 2025, 2024 to 2025 was revised from 6.4% projected in January 2024 to 6.6%. It has also revised India's GDP growth by 20 basis points each to 6.7% and 6.8% for financial year 2026, 2025 to 26 and financial year 2027, 2026 to 27, respectively.
Question number 13. Pandit Rajiv Tarnath has passed away. What field did he belong to?
Answer is Sarod players. Sarod maestro Pandit Rajiv Tarnath passed away on 11th June 2024 at the age of 91 years. He later taught English literature at Edin University in the 1980s and served as the head of the Indian music program at the California Institute of the Arts from 1995 to 2005. He was awarded the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 2000 and the Padma Shri in 2019.
Question number 14. In which country has the India Exim Bank inaugurated the East Africa Representative Office?
Answer is Kenya. The Export-Import Bank of India, India Exim Bank, inaugurated its East Africa Representative Office in Nairobi, Kenya, on 31st May 2024. This move is aimed at enhancing India's business presence in East Africa and boosting trade and investment between India, Kenya, and the wider East African region. The merchandise trade between India and East Africa has grown significantly, reaching $12.9 billion in 2022, with India's exports to East Africa rising from $8.6 billion in 2013 to $9.4 billion by 2022.
Question number 15. Who has become the first Italian player to achieve the world number 1 ATP ranking?
Answer is Jannik Sinner. Jannik Sinner of Italy became the number 1 player in the PIF ATP, Association of Tennis Professionals rankings, on 10 June 2024. He is the first Italian man or woman to reach world number 1 in singles since computerized rankings were introduced in 1973. PIF stands for Public Investment Fund, Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, which has joined hands with the ATP in its push into global sports.
Question number 16. Who was appointed as the new Director General of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI?
Answer is Jyoti Wij. On 11 June 2024, the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, revealed that Jyoti Wij had been appointed as its Director General. Jyoti Wij holds the position of Additional Director General at FICCI at present. She became a member of the Industry Association in 1993 and has held different positions within it since then.
Question number 17. Which country plans to adapt its Golden Visa scheme to help migrants?
Answer is Portugal. Portugal plans to adapt its Golden Visa scheme to allow wealthy foreigners seeking residency rights to invest in affordable housing for locals or accommodation for migrants. Golden Visa, a program that offers residency to wealthy foreigners who buy real estate there. The Golden Visa scheme has attracted more 7.3 billion euros of funds since its launch. Around 800,000 migrants live in Portugal, nearly double the number from a decade ago.
Question number 18. Who has been elected as the President of Construction Federation of India, CFI?
Answer is Vinayak Pai. Construction Federation of India, CFI, has elected Tata Projects MD and CEO, Vinayak Pai, as President of its National Council. Akhil Gupta, ED and CEO of Shapoorji Pallonji and Private Limited Company, has been elected as Vice President of Construction Federation of India, CFI. While Preeti Patel, Deputy Director of Patel Engineering Limited, as the Treasurer of Construction Federation of India, CFI.
Question number 19. The first ever United Nations International Day of Play was observed on.
Answer is 11th June 2024. The first ever United Nations (UN) International Day of Play was observed on 11th June 2024 to celebrate the power of play. The day aims to preserve, promote, and prioritize the essential role of play in human development and well-being, especially for children. On 25th March 2024, the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, adopted and proclaiming 11th June as the International Day of Play.
Question number 20. World Blood Donor Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 14th June. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on the 14th of June every year. It was first initiated in 2004 by the World Health Organization, WHO. The theme for World Blood Donor Day 2024 is 20 years of celebrating giving. Thank you, blood donors. 14th June also marks the birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner, who won the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1930 for his work in classifying blood types. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.